Hi, this is King of Review. Find the sum of the greatest and smallest integer of x which satisfies the following inequalities. 5x minus 6 is less than or equal to 3x plus 8, and 5x minus 4 is greater than 2x minus 7. We'll start by solving each inequality and finding the points where they intersect. Our first inequality is 5x minus 6 is less than or equal to 3x plus 8. I'll add a 6 to both sides. This gives us 5x is less than or equal to 3x plus 14. And then we'll subtract the 3x on both sides. This gives us 2x is less than or equal to 14. And when we divide by 2 on both sides, we have x is less than or equal to 7. For our second inequality, we have 5x minus 4 is greater than 2x minus 7. I'll add a 4 on both sides. This gives us 5x is greater than 2x minus 3. And then we subtract a 2x on both sides. We're left with 3x is greater than negative 3, and dividing by 3 on both sides, we get x is greater than negative 1. So we have this inequality here and this inequality here. And when we put them together, we get negative 1 is less than x, and x is less than or equal to 7. So let's go ahead and graph this on a number line. I'm going to graph each inequality. So here's 0, here's negative 1, negative 2. So our first inequality, x is less than or equal to 7. We have a closed circle at 7. And our arrow is going to the left. And then for x is greater than negative 1, we have an open circle at negative 1, and our arrow is going to the right. So I'll use the color red to show the points where our two inequalities intersect. It will be the region in here. Next, we need to find the sum of the greatest and smallest integer of x. So let's look at our number line, and let's look at the points where they intersect. So what is the smallest integer that we're dealing with? At negative 1, there's an open circle, so it does not include negative 1. 0 would be the smallest integer here. And what is the greatest integer? 7, because we have a closed circle at 7. So the sum of 0 and 7 is 0 plus 7, and this is equal to 7. So 7 is our answer. Letter C is correct. Thanks for watching.